shifter on there. It's got a hood, but it's not on there because this pipe's too high. But yeah, that's it. It sounds awesome. I still got to clean it up just a little bit, probably put some paint on it, but it's love right here. It's all this is, just love. Putting parts in the car. Ain't no ignition no more. Got rid of that throttle. Put throttle in. Still got the choke. Probably redo this dash. Might put a radio up here. Just put some speakers or something. Because this is just a show lawnmower now. I take it around places and show it off and stuff. Gotta get some mufflers for it or some baffles to put in there because I can't run them like that all the time. But yeah, I gotta get some new tires for it. My cousin was talking about putting some 40s on this thing. I don't know about that though. Probably get a different lawnmower to do that too. But yeah, it goes 27. I'd take you around a little bit real quick to get it out of 6. Oh no! I think my belt just might have slipped off. No, just being fucking retarded. Alright, well, that's my lawnmower. Yeah.